Hey everybody.
Hey. Kaitlyn, you look like you have white circles for your eyes. We have our ring light on. Of course, we broke it tonight, so we wasn't sure we were even going to do a video, but, you know, life happens, right? So, what are we making?
We are making cheesy tortellini pasta with a garlic butter sauce and then chicken in the air fryer.
There you go. All right, so what do we have here?
We have some Slap Your Mama seasoning, some Cajun two-step seasoning, and then
Some olive oil.
some olive oil.
All mixed up, and we're just going to pour it over the chicken and marinate it for just a few minutes and stick it in the air fryer for 10 minutes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then that should be done, and we're going to come back whenever it's time to get the tortellini going, okay?
Alright, we have the chicken all seasoned and we're going to be sticking it in the air fryer for 10 minutes. Alright, should be it.
Oh, no, you can do more than that. I was just going to see if you had anything you want to talk about.
Today we spent the day together, me and Mom. We went into town and went to this new store that just opened up. We just browsed, but it was fun. And then I decided that I wanted some of this pasta and chicken, so we got some of that from the store. And now we're making it, so. And I'm just going to be sticking it in the air fryer.
10 minutes.
And we'll let you know when it's ready. Bye.
Oh.
Alright, so how is everybody doing today? Our day was really great. We just hung out together. So, what have y'all been up to today?
I got any plans this weekend? We're asking them, Kate.
Oh yeah, I was thinking you were asking.
No, you know what our plans are, so here we go. Just making conversation.
Alright, so this is for the sauce that goes on the tortellini. It's the butter garlic sauce. So I'm just going to pour some in.
This is just 2.5 cups. I'm going to set that off to the side and put in a little
How much y'all put?
cornstarch to thicken it up. It's 2.5, so about right there, that line. Cornstarch, which I don't even think I've opened it yet. Whisk it together and let it thicken up.
Alright. The rest of it?
We may need more, I don't know. We're just going to boil our tortellini in the chicken broth instead of just plain water. Give it a little bit more flavor.
Alright, so I am pouring the rest of the chicken broth in here. And then we put our tortellini in there. It brings that to a boil, and then we put our seasoning that I just mixed up onto the noodles.
We probably do need to get a little, another thing of that chicken broth.
Okay.
I don't know, since I did do 2 bags of tortellini, we probably need to add a little
Right
more.
here,
No, I stuck it in the pantry.
Oh.
We'll be back.
Alright, so I got some more chicken broth, and I'm just going to pour the rest of this into the pot. There's a lot in there.
Just keeps going and going and going and going. There you go. All right.
Alright.
Now you can just throw those away and let's bring that to a boil. Well, you can just go ahead and turn the oven on if you want. I mean, not oven, you know what I mean. Stovetop. Good job. There you
All
go.
right.
When it comes to a boil, we'll throw our tortellini in. We'll come back.
Alright, so we are going to go ahead and start the butter garlic sauce while we are waiting for that to come to a boil. So I'm going to put a whole stick of butter in, some parsley flakes.
Or fresh parsley if you have it.
And some garlic salt. We don't have the cloves, so.
Yeah, it'd be 2 cloves of garlic. That's good.
Alright.
Alright, we're going to melt that and then add our cornstarch and chicken broth over into it and simmer it for a couple of minutes.
That.
Just melting it. And
Alright.
we'll let it melt and then we'll add that butter, you know what I mean, down there.
Yeah.
I can't get my words out tonight, Kate. Alright, hopefully this is good. This is the first time we've tried this one, but it sure sounded good. So
It did.
we'll definitely let y'all know. I'm excited. Kaitlyn's hungry. She's
I am,
always
I am.
hungry when we go to cooking.
Alright. So it's time to pour the noodles in. I'm a little nervous.
Alright, Miss Kaitlyn, this
All
one
right.
over here is ready too. This is our melted parsley, butter, and garlic. And Kaitlyn needed some help with this, so I'm gonna. You got it? Okay.
Oh,
Here.
help me.
Here you go. Just keep it over that little. There's a spout thing that makes it a little easier. It's okay.
It kind of splattered everywhere.
Ooh, it did, didn't it? We'll have to
I'll clean
clean
that up.
that up.
It's okay. I think
We'll be back. We'll make it. We're gonna clean up our mess. We'll pretend we didn't see that. Like Kaitlyn's stirring the tortellini. She said I was gonna have to help her. She can't have 2 pots going at once.
I need to turn this down. Okay.
All right. You know what? Our chicken's done too. It beeped. Let's see. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, let's get rid of my butter. Then we'll swap out the chicken. All right.
Alright, so we added a bag of Parmesan cheese to the sauce, and we are going to pour the sauce over onto the pasta.
I figure you need a little help.
Okay.
All right, so our chicken, half of it's done. We have the other half still in the air fryer. So let me pause it so it's not too loud for you guys. And then let's see, Kaitlyn. Okay, I don't have to have a pot. All right, I'll hold it for you. Well, it's coming right on out easy, isn't it?
It looks good.
It does look good. It sure smells good. Hopefully it is. It's actually really easy. Okay.
Now we just start.
Yep. Yes. This one is the more sturdy, but wood. And just try not to, break your pasta. Kind of scoop it and, like scoop it like that until it's. If you just stab down on it, bust up your pastas. So, all right, well, we're pretty far away from you guys now. So, we're just stirring.
It's very cheesy.
Yum, yum. All right, Kaitlyn's ready to make her plate. Let's butter, garlic, cheesy tortellini. lot of tortellini. We'll have to share that, won't we? All right, let me get you some chicken. You want me to cut it up on top of it? Or on the side?
On the side.
All right.
I want to try this pasta.
It may be hot now.
I can blow on it. Really good.
Really good? All right. Let's share with Dad and Nana. All right. See y'all later.
Bye.
All right, there's the last of the chicken. Air fryer. That's definitely my new favorite way. All right. Y'all have a good night.
Bye.